Hi, in this video, we are going to learn about opportunity territory assignment filter. What is in by opportunity territory assignment filter? If you want me to explain in a single line, it is about assigning an opportunity under an territory. So far we have completed the below topics, right? Creating territory model, territory type, creating territory, account assignment rule, and then users assigned to the territory. And then in the last video, we have activated the territory model, and we explored how an account was automatically assigned to the territory based on the rule what we have defined in the assignment, right? So far we have learned about how an account is assigned automatically, and correlated contacts also, getting accessible by the members of the territory. So all those concepts we have learned. And today we are going to see about opportunity assignment to the territory. So that is especially through opportunity territory assignment filter. There is a concept called. That is what we are going to look at it. So how to assign an opportunity to a territory? Basic question. The opportunity to be assigned to a territory, there is a prerequisite. What is meant by the prerequisite? If you are going to assign an opportunity to the territory, then definitely the opportunity should be created under an account. That account belongs to an territory. So if you want opportunities to be assigned to a territory, then basically the opportunity should have a parent account. That parent account should be member of a territory. The parent account also should be part of a territory. Then only when you are creating an opportunity using opportunity assignment filter, we can able to assign the opportunity under a territory. So this can be done in two ways. One is basically manual way. What is in by manual way? In opportunity, we have a territory field. There is a standard field called territory. You can use that field while creating the opportunity by manually selecting the territory record. That is by manually selecting a territory parent record. In that way, you can create an opportunity and assign it under an territory. Now the members of the territory can be able to access that opportunity. So one is the manual way. Automation. That is what filter based opportunity territory assignment. If you want to automate this process, whenever an opportunity gets created, automatically I want to assign that opportunity, under a territory. If that is the case, we need to go to the second concept, that is filter based opportunity territory assignment. That is controlled by an Apex code. So no need to write the Apex code. It is already existing in the Salesforce documentation. You can get it from there. And if you want to customize that, you are most welcome to do that. Fine. So what are the fields in the opportunity object that is related to territory? Generally, you can see two fields in the opportunity object that is related to territory. One field, as I explained in the previous slide, it is a territory lookup field. Okay. One field is a territory lookup field. This is a lookup to territory. So if you want to create an opportunity under a territory, you have to select that territory record. And other one is a checkbox field that is called exclude this opportunity from assignment filter logic. Suppose I'm going to create an opportunity. I don't want to run the opportunity assignment rule for this particular opportunity. If that is the case, you need to select that checkbox field. That is exclude this opportunity from assignment filter logic. If the checkbox is checked, then opportunity will not use the filter logic. The filter logic will not be used to assign this opportunity under a territory. So in these two fields, if you are going to select a territory and then you don't want the territory, assignment filter logic to run, then you can ignore it by deselecting the checkbox. So if you look at the account object records, an account can be part of multiple territories, but that is not the case with opportunity. So one opportunity can be assigned to only one territory at a point of time. So always a territory will be having only one opportunity, under that. So, for example, there is an opportunity called AJ Skill, Private Limited. That opportunity either can be a Chennai opportunity, it can be under the Chennai territory, or it can be under Mumbai territory, whatever maybe. At a point of time, the opportunity can be assigned to only one territory at a time. So this is very crucial. That is just opposite to how account behaves. Account can be part of multiple territories, right? That was not the case with opportunity. This is pretty crucial. Okay, fine. Let's move on. Let me go to the next slide. So in this slide, I'm explaining how to set up this opportunity assignment filter. So to do the opportunity assignment filter automation, you need to go to setup, territories. Under territory settings, you will have an option called opportunity territory assignment. Under that, you have to select the assignment filter. This checkbox should be checked, enable filter based opportunity territory assignment. And immediately you need to mention which Apex class is responsible for that. You need to mention the Apex class name, and then you have to enable this checkbox whenever an opportunity created if you want to run the assignment rule. Suppose I'm trying to insert a large number of records using data loader. At that point of time, if I'm running the opportunity assignment rule, also it will be taking more time in the sense, then you can deselect this checkbox. If you selected this checkbox, it means that whenever an opportunity created, opportunity territory assignment rule will run, and the opportunity will be assigned to the territory accordingly. So let's check this practically. Okay, let's check this practically. Let me quickly dive into my org. So if you look at my org, let me go to the setup. In the setup, search for territory model. Under the territory model, this is the territory model what we have configured throughout this video sessions, right? Under South India, we have a territory called Chennai. So this Chennai territory already associated with an assignment rule for assigning the account, right? So using this, whenever there is an account record created, the account record based on the criteria assigned to the territory. Now to enable the opportunity assignment filter, you have to go to territory settings. You have to go to territory settings. Under the territory settings, there is an option called opportunity assignment, right? Opportunity territory assignment. The first part is the access level, right? How the opportunity should be accessible, the access level of users of the territory, right? View all opportunities associated with the territories, child territory, regardless of who owns the opportunity. If you want to give view access for everyone, then probably you can go for it. View and edit, then you will be selecting this, right? And then you have an assignment filter, right? If you want to enable the filter based opportunity territory assignment, then you have to enable this. And you have to mention the class name here. You have to mention the class name. And for example, I have already created the class, and I will explain you how to create the class also. So already I have created a class called opportunity territory assignment filter. If this is the Apex class, then you need to copy this class, and you have to come here. You have to paste it here. So once you completed, automatically this checkbox will be checked. So if you selected this checkbox, immediately the opportunity will be assigned to your territory. I'm not going to do this as of now because as I explained earlier, there are two ways we can able to do this, right? One is manually you can assign an opportunity to your territory, and the second one is through Apex code also you can able to assign, right? So first we are going to try manually. For example, let me come to this opportunity. By default in the opportunity, you will be having a field called territory, right? You'll be having a field called territory. Look at this. This territory field is a lookup to territory object. So when creating the opportunity record, you will be make use of this field to assign this opportunity under an territory. If this field is not available in the page layout, go to the page layout and add it to the page layout. Now I have already added in the page layout. For example, let me try to create an account first. Okay, I'm going to create an account, and I will make sure that this account is assigned under a territory. For example, let me create demo territory account. And to make this account assigned under the territory, as we discussed in the previous video, we need to set up the billing city. We have a rule saying that if any account record gets created as billing city as Chennai, then this account will be assigned to the Chennai territory. So I'm going to click save. So I have created an account. So now if you look at this account in the related list, you are able to see this account is associated with Chennai territory. There is no opportunity exist. So I'm trying to create a new opportunity. As I told earlier, I want to remain again. If you want to assign an opportunity to the territory, then definitely the opportunity should be a child for an account. That account belongs to an territory. This is the rule, right? Okay. So that's why from the related list, I'm creating this opportunity. Because of that, automatically the account name is associated with this account, right? Okay, fine, perfect. So now if you look at here, I need to create an opportunity name, and I'm going to give demo opportunity territory. Okay, demo opportunity territory. Let me give a name like this. This is the required field as far as opportunity record is concerned, stage name. And then you see there are two fields exist in the page layout, right? These are the two fields as I explained earlier. One is a lookup object, lookup field, which is lookup to territory. And another one is called exclude this opportunity from territory assignment filter logic. Now we haven't configured territory, assignment filter logic so far. We haven't added the Apex class, right? So excluding this checkbox, will not helpful. So I'm going to do it manually. I'm going to assign this opportunity under a territory. To do that, simply I'm going to click here. All the territories will be listed here. What are all the territories available in your org? All the territories will be listed. I'm going to choose Chennai and I'm going to click save. Now this opportunity will be automatically assigned to this territory. If you open this opportunity and enter the detail section, you can able to see that this opportunity is associated with the territory called Chennai. So this is a manual assignment, right? This record is created by me, and while creating the record, I have explicitly chosen the territory. There is no territory assignment filter logic configured so far. This is one way of creating a territory, creating an opportunity under a territory. And the other way is you can configure the opportunity territory filter. All right. Let me go to account again. Now, let me try to configure that. To configure that, let me quickly go to my presentation from where I can get this opportunity filter Apex code. If you look at this particular link, this link will redirect you to a web page. That web page will consist of all the opportunity assignment filter code. So I have opened that in a separate browser. I'm going to bring it to your view. Now, if you look at this particular page, which is an Apex developer guide page, there you can find the opportunity territory assignment filter code. This is the Apex code which is already exist. So if you want to, copy the code, simply there is a button here, right? Simply there is a button called copy. Simply copy that. If you click that, automatically it will be copied. If you click that, it will be automatically copied. And after copying this, if you click this, automatically it will be copied. After copying this, what you have to do here is you need to go to your org, and in the org, go to your developer console, file, new Apex class, give the Apex class name as demo opportunity, or you can give the same name as what I have given, right? Opportunity assign filter, any name you can give. Opportunity assign filter, and Apex class will be created. Now you can copy paste, right? Whatever the code I have shared, you can copy paste the code. Again, I'm trying to bring it here, the piece of code. I'm going to click it. The code is copied. Now, if you paste it here, the code will be completely copied. And you have to make sure that you are renaming this class name with what you have here, right? Opportunity assign filter. And you can give it. Why I'm renaming in the sense, I already have the class in my org. So that's why I'm going to just change the name, which matches with the Apex class, what I have created. So you may ask a question, do I need to go through all this piece of code? If you are a developer, I would say it's good to go through the code. If you are an admin, then I won't recommend to go through the code. Simply follow the step how to create this Apex class. That is sufficient. Next, what I have to do. The class is ready. I'm not going to save this as of now. So let me close this window. Fine. This is my class name, right? already, which is saved here. I'm going to copy this. Now I'll go to the territory settings. Under the territory settings, I'm going to choose assignment filter. And here you need to copy paste the Apex class name, whatever might be the class, you need to paste it. And you can select this checkbox also. And at the bottom, you have a save button and you need to click that. Once you save that, automatically your settings will be saved here, right? Okay, now the opportunity assignment filter has been set up. That is, the opportunity assignment to an territory is automated through Apex. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to test this. Okay, let me go for demo territory account. This is assigned already to a territory. So this is a pre-request. I'm going to click the new button. And under the new button, I'm going to give the name as demo territory filter opportunity. And I need to, give the closing date and I have to select the opportunity stage name. This time I'm not going to select the territory manually. Even you can remove it from your page layout if you wanted to have an automation there, right? No need to have it. And if you select this, then the opportunity it will be excluded from the assignment rule. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to create it under that, under this particular territory. So let me try to click save. Now, if everything is properly configured, then if you go to this, territory record, then definitely this, this opportunity will be associated with that territory, right? If you look at that, automatically this territory is assigned to this opportunity. If you go back and if you open the other record, for this also, the territory is assigned with Chennai. This is assigned through manually, right? We have manually selected the territory by going through the territory, lookup field. As far as this opportunity record is concerned, we have been assigned the opportunity manually. We have configured opportunity territory assignment filter, and the Apex class is responsible for assigning this territory to Chennai. How the Apex class is assigning this territory to Chennai? Because this Apex class investigated the parent account that belongs to a territory called Chennai. That's the reason this opportunity also assigned with the territory Chennai. Okay. So if you are admin, no need to go through the piece of code. You can simply, just configure these steps, and whatever the opportunity created, it will be assigned to an, territory automatically. If you want to do more customization, let's say I want to apply more filter effects. For example, I don't want to assign all the opportunities, with opportunity, for example, source, opportunity source or opportunities more than 2 lakhs. I wanted to run the opportunity filter. If that is the case, you can play around with the Apex code and you can change it, right? I'm not going to explain the Apex code, but what I will do as of now is I will explain you what the Apex code is doing at a high level. Hope this might be, helpful for admin guys also. So I'm going to explain what the opportunity territory assignment rule Apex class is all about. Okay, at the high level. So if you look at the algorithm, how the code works is when you create an opportunity, automatically in the backend, the Apex code will be called. The Apex code will check the opportunity has assigned a record or account record or not. That is, this opportunity is created under an account or not. This is the first check. If the opportunity you are going to create has a parent account, then it will go accordingly. If the opportunity created doesn't have a parent account, then opportunities territory to ID field will be null. You may be wondering, what is in by opportunity to territory ID field? Let's go to the opportunity object. If you look at the territory lookup field, the API name is territory2 ID. So that's why it was mentioned as territory2 ID. So in the presentation, I have mentioned the API name of the field. Actually, it is a territory lookup field, basically. So what I'm trying to say here is in this first point, what I'm trying to communicate is if any opportunity is created without any parent account record, then the territory field will be null. This is the first step the opportunity territory assignment Apex code will do. The second process, If the opportunity account record is assigned to one territory, then opportunities territory ID field will be assigned to the same territory. That's why we are getting Chennai assigned to the opportunity what we have created, because we have an account record. That account record is assigned to Chennai territory. So obviously the opportunity territory also will be mapped to the Chennai territory. This is the second process what the opportunity assignment Apex code will do. Okay, if the opportunity is created under an account, that account has an territory into it, then that territory will be copied and into the opportunities territory field. Next scenario, if the opportunities account record is assigned to more than one territories. Okay, so the parent account, let's say for example I'm creating an account called ABC. That account is assigned with the Chennai territory as well as assigned with the Hyderabad territory. That is the scenario it is discussing about. So if the parent account record, because that's a case, right, an account can be part of multiple territories. If that is the case, this opportunity will be assigned under what territory? So I wanted to highlight you, whenever you are creating a territory, we have a territory type and the territory types had a priority, right? Now if the account belongs to two territories, then probably the highest priority territory will be picked up, and that territory will be assigned to opportunity also. So if more than one account exists, then the priority field will be coming into the picture, right? Opportunity will be assigned under the account whose territory type priority is highest. I have explained the territory type and territory priority, in the early stages of this, this session videos, right? The next scenario, what will happen if multiple territories are having the same priority? Let's say account has assigned with Chennai as well as Hyderabad. Chennai is also, the priority is 100. Hyderabad priority is also 100. In this scenario, what will happen? The territory ID will be null. It means that opportunity will not be associated with any of the any of the territory. The territory field will be blank. So the territory field will be blank in an opportunity in two scenarios. One is if the opportunity doesn't have a parent account record. And the other scenario is when the parent account is part of multiple territories and all the territories are having the same priority. In that scenario also, opportunities will be created without territory. So this high level explanation is implemented as piece of Apex code in the class. If you want to customize that, if you are a developer, you know Apex very well. If you want to customize and if you want to add more, features into the assignment filter, you are allowed to do that. You can customize that. Hope this video, will help you in understanding how an opportunity territory assignment can be automated with the help of territory assignment filter.
If you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website. There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018 and we have trained and guided 2000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistance, visit our placement assistance section where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our side. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.